Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled among lush, rolling hills, there lived a humble farmer named Tomas. Despite the meager returns from his modest plot of land, Tomas possessed a remarkable and unusual habit. He firmly believed in the power of planting dreams as fervently as he sowed his seeds. Each spring, while carefully cultivating his crops, he would lean close to the earth and softly whisper his deepest aspirations into the soil. "May this corn grow tall and bountiful," he would say, envisioning a harvest that would overflow his barn. "I yearn for a sturdy new plow," he'd murmur, picturing himself working with ease and efficiency. The villagers often chuckled at his peculiar rituals, dismissing him as just a simple farmer, but Tomas understood the profound influence of his intentions. One fateful season, a violent storm unleashed its fury upon the village, wreaking havoc on many fields and leaving destruction in its wake. While despair gripped the hearts of his neighbors, Tomas ventured out to tend to his own crops, only to find his fields remarkably unscathed. It seemed that his whispered dreams had woven a protective enchantment around his land, shielding it from nature's wrath. As his crops thrived, he chose to share his bounty generously with those around him, aiding his neighbors in replanting their devastated fields. Word of Tomas's extraordinary fortune spread like wildfire throughout the region, inspiring a transformation in the village. Motivated by his example, the villagers began to plant their own dreams alongside their seeds, each one whispering their hopes into the fertile ground. The once struggling village blossomed into a vibrant community of hope and abundance, evolving into a bustling marketplace filled with fresh produce, laughter, and camaraderie. Years later, Tomas stood atop a gentle hill that overlooked the thriving village. It had transformed into a place rich not only in crops, but also in spirit and unity. He came to realize that true wealth was not solely measured by gold or material possessions, but by the dreams shared and the community nurtured. And so, the once poor farmer became the wealthiest man in the village, not because of his harvest alone, but because he had inspired a collective belief in the magic of dreaming together, forever changing the fate of his beloved community.